Helix Coaching Center, Damkam Bazaar, KFC Building, first floor. Admission and registration open for NEET UG 2025 to 2026. Classes start on first week of June. Duration 1 year. 7 months theory sessions, 3 months revision or DAP session, and 2 months revisions. Course fees $25,000 and can be paid in installment. Join our mock test series for free. That is on 24th March, 7th April, 21st April. Free demo classes are available. For further details, contact 8131 038 136.
Getin lamka daily news chapkit ni direct som ni panga March sang ni som ni panga ngai thale en tu zo si chibai simtu pa khoi vai phe chanchin la khom te thangboi gang te MCS ADC in POSCO poster campaign honna nei security force ten matcha khon khop mang Zomi Council Prayer Department in Tusobo chanchin kim zo ngai thai pio.
Looking for a fresh new look? Or just a break from the everyday hustle? Welcome to Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, where style meets relaxation. Whether it's a stylish haircut, a soothing spa, or a refreshing facial, we've got you covered. Get pampered by our experts in a space that's all about you. Step in stressed. Walk out confident. Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, your go-to for style and self-care. Book your appointment today and feel the difference.
District Administration le District Child Protection Unit doi saknagulin child labor, child marriage le prevention of children from sexual offences POCSO Act 2012 poster campaign hondona tuni thangboi gangte MCS ADC in Mini Secretariat Tuibong monin nei hi child labor, child marriage le prevention of children from sexual offences POCSO Act 2012 poster campaign hondo hi tokitonin Child Welfare Committee Churchan Purpat Puiten Lam Kakasung Munchum Chum le Relief Center Monte MPT Mu Thading in poster tak dona nei we Sapang kumting laute mi ko hemin na sem ding agoy hi chun amatu Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 nuya tagukapat kumni sung kultang thading chuledang ka sing ni pat singa chan liu saka ding hiu Child Welfare Committee Churchan Purintuni District Mipiten Child Labor, Child Marriage le Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Act 2012 chunga poster atak do te wapatin zia dan pal kek te god na ki peding dan kim takin Mipite mu thading in tak do inom he Zani tarik som ni panga March sang ni som ni panga in Security Force 10 Hill Valley District te search operation nei sunsom tawzelin Tingtang lam munkhen khat operation abol nawa Churchanpur district sunga dampi le mauzang kho ki patin gal ban matcha chum amudok koi athil mudok te wa hi le AK-47 rifle magazine lo khat .303 rifle magazine lo khat 12 bore rifle magazine lo khat double barrel rifle khat modified SKS rifle magazine lo khat modified long range mortar pompi fitli le fit nga khat .36 hand grenade ni 7.62 mm bullet som pakhat .22 caliber bullet ni pipe bomb thum helmet ni BJP cover khat lep walkie talkie baufeng khat hi in police to so chun again here Zomi Council headquarter apart Pastor G Khankham convener Zomi Council Prayer Department le Evangelist Langchin Thang Naulak Secretary Zomi Council Prayer Department into so bol nawachun ahung tungding April tarik khat sang ni som ni panga abuk waiting na Zomi Council Prayer Fellowship mat ting dan zi gol hi amona hi le ORC lamjang hintin ani April tarik khat jingka lamda geraki pat hiding hi zi prayer fellowship manna ding hin athupi hi le the prayer of faith will save hiding hi zi huna pui tu ding hi le go zubung hintin aman hun pat pau chapna le nei ding hi Pathian choi hoina la sakna jetsi prayer department na pat umintin pauchap golna masa puitu in Reverend G Khankham prayer point JSF pangdinga hi chun pauchap gol ani veina apuitu in dimbiak moi ta sakhom na umintin un kha pauchap na upa el delson in neidinga hi Kuki National Organization Government apat PS Hauke President Kuki National Organization into so bolna chun TS Hauke KNO Independent Secretary apat ahina hun lawa hai to kitonin tu okipat thangsei to thanghi TS Hauke thasa tu ding hitai mabana tom ngai level taka sep theina lano hi tin to sona chun atak lang hi Kuki Students Organization General Headquarter apat Dr. Seiboy to thang General Secretary in his sakna to so bolna chun tu chunga la thina tu nu lepa le chate le khasimna lam et kol pidinga keso into pugna kinei zikin montina data akila khoma tu hin na sep pat theiding in umtai aki hemil le akila khalowa lona ding in atop nan min lam na hung kinei hi lungsi taka he khanai lawa khak le ki hilson hitiu final document verification the official launching of Conflict Impacted Orphans Education Sponsorship Project Program hi jing tarik somni baguk merge sangi somni panga jing kalam da som pakhat lekim le Conference Hall Solbrook School tuibung le Keso Conference Hall kangpok pi mona ki bol ding hi chule hiat be ding cho je project hi tu chungal to kesaya thina tu nu le pa chati ading be phiding hi je to ketona guardian ten document poi mote jina hin hum choi chi dingin ikichil o document poi mote hile passport Aadhaar card school admission number le PEN permanent education number te hintin chun thu chian hanum ten 8974327823 le 700543766663 atu chian to theiding hi Young Learners School Janhanglam ka Churchan Purati Tersep na ong hi subject te hile social science postcard qualification hile BA physics le mathematics postcard qualification BSc Hindi postcard qualification hile graduate in Hindi hiding hi ko hitale lungut na neite na hungtung ding march tarik somni pasagi sangni somni panga masanga ngai bian the hiding hi achisa tarik sompaku march sangni somni panga jan khangda khaleda ni tuma Marveng te dimro ta zogam today office signboard mail hit laute na subsi to ketonin zani tarik somni panga march sangni somni panga ni tak lamin keso churchan purten zogam today editor le staff te sit batnan chini le bong no appeal here keso puiten zithil tungchu khok asak ma thu ule again o mabana zigul thil tunga umkit lona dingin akisai pi thunei te kiangale chelna le hi sakna bolo hi chule signboard thak siamna le ki thu piding o hi dan jati team te king in again o zogam today editor in le keso churchan pur puite chungen ki pa thu again here Akhil Bharatiya Adivasi Vikas Parishad All India Tribal Development Council in Pauzakhop Buite Sai Henjang Tuibung Subdivision Chirichan Purumchu Kiloi Khomna a Vice President ding appointment bol hi na kigen hi Pauzakhop Buite hi le tu keso Delhi le NCR President Jinglai hi Akhil Bharatiya Adivasi Vikas Parishad All India Tribal Development Council in appointment lekha apirna again na chun Pauzakhop buite in thingtang mi te adinga apan lak na ki pa pi thu apung oi chule thingtang mi te culture tradition le identity hum bit na ding le thingtang mi te chunga thil dik lo ki bol te na sataka ki mai tu pi ngam na je ka Akhil Bharatiya Adivasi Vikas Parishad All India Tribal Development Council Vice President dinga guna hidan tak latin hi aman Vice President atu sunga council tupla doi to kitona India gam songa tingtang mi te adinga na sem ding in dot na bol in le uma je council apathi tingtang mi ten achan ding kilom ham phat na le thanei na amu ding akinep na le council chun pon dok na ne hi chule banghem ti council dei lo da na kha ga hi chun council in hi na pat hai sak thei jing hi tin lakhi bhau Jadev National Youth President Akhil Bharatiya Adivasi Vikas Parishad Tapon Chunatak lang hi District TB Office in 100 Days TB Elimination Campaign 2025 abolo to kitona. Yes, we can end TB. Commit, invest, deliver T2P. District level painting competition merit direct som pasagia. GNM Training School muna alaungchu kipagman habdona. Zani merit direct som ni paliin alaungki tin Dr. Zamtianal in charge District TB Officer apat tapon chunatak lang hi. First prize Cheng Sang Sagi Kipakman Harmon School Akai le Class 10 Simlai T 12 Hanson son of Led Damkhan Pau Angels Place Bungmoli na Kisana Second prize Kipakman Cheng Sanga VK Ton High School Akai le Class 12 Simlai Jingai daughter of Pau Golian Komintang na Kisana to let third prize Cheng Sangthum Kipakman Chu Angels Place Harmon English School Akai Class 10 Simlai Domwan Sang son of Zolin Angels Place Bungmoli na Kisang hi. Chulezi district level painting competition apang students som palite kingin kipakman cheng zanga chiat hobdo in leong hi tin Zamtianal in again hi. Tuni tarik som ni panga marit sang ni som ni panga in thangkhan pau wang khu cheng solun lupho chu dam ding ki ne mahun so tat nei green silong mona alakian kol chu dam dong ding din mona umta lo zikin Acheta direct som paku merit sang ni som ni panga niya a in mun thangkhan phai akian kol himale tuni direct som ni panga merit sang ni som ni panga jing kalamda gelekim bel chun eilamulim santai ama lungdam sa hi jing direct som ni paguk merit sang ni som ni panga jing kalamda som pakhat le builim na program dinga hi ama hi theding in nidang laya football keeper team takle thei taka KFC alaki hel Polian lupo pian na pa hi anu si insung mi te pathinin thamonin umpita hen tuni tarik som ni panga merit sang ni som ni panga in YPA Durgaswing BL YPA Durgaswing DDC 10 joint emergency meeting ngai in zigol hin thupna bol hi zete cho hi le YPA general headquarter le YPA lamka blockin YPA mi lasa YPA member le YPA annual fund pechit lamka khopi humbitna limna tuak tampi laka ken chom ta ka thudik lo bol tu te bana keswan thang le thang samon tom ding a ding be papan pina abolo tirkas wengin kipom lo le kham a hi lamka bulu tu te apat lamka humbitna ding alubu phala lim na tu te a ding pan pina do la hi ma tirkas weng songa mimal le pol chom in keswan thang le thang samon tom ding pan pina dol thailo ding a hiu Zigola panlate mimal le apol min golu mai to ding la hiu Durkas weng songa ko sa hingal namdang te laka tuitum kisa ma ni chipi te weng pi te si theina ding bol le Durkas weng boina ding vai sei zo si te weng dang alak pem dok ding in hi sak hiu Durkas weng song mi kipum khatna ding doilowa ko sa zo si le hung ki hi zikin pu man pan pina le hum binna hung ki petalo ding hi Zia joint order zilo bol te ya umle veng song ki bai hom na dung zuyen a hundung zia ngai tu hiding a hitin ke 12 cup chairman via Durgasweng el paupi ngai te secretary via Durgasweng hi chinkhan thang chairman DDC Durgasweng ke dokhan kup secretary DDC Durgasweng ke khamzading president YPA Durgasweng ji khamsanglen secretary YPA Durgasweng ten soya kaiwa hi Manipur Meitei nupi te na hungtung ding April tarik ni le kobru mona kal ding o hidan again oi Meitei nupi kiloi kom te na gian na wachon Manipur le Delhi Meitei te kobru mona chi su ke ding in chil na bol he kobru hi Meitei te hung ki patna a hi tin ipui pa te win again o zigul chon thasin le Meitei te kobru mona li wedding vel akikal saka chule Manipur boina sang ni som ni pathum kuma patin kobru mona chi theilowin ki uma Kobru mona ki kalki theina ding in Delhi Jantar Mantar mona ki phinna ki nei ding hi tin le again wa hi Dr. Steve M Tungnung MO in charge block MO Mapuina in Singat Community Health Center Dr. Lesta Pomte Hiule Dr. Mallory Zonunmoy MO Dr. Nongmei Kapam Romesh MO Dr. Damswan Lian MO Dr. Jennifer Ngailian MO Dr. Sombiaklal Laingek MO Dr. Herling Dentist Buknai Phal Gangte FHS Rose Ngaimwan Ngaite GNM Lina Nyang Nekim GNM Loizakim CHO Hoinenga Vaipe ANM Manjasiam ANM Nyangai Man ANM Lalram Moi Sanate ANM Zamnekim ANM Waikom Vidya ANM Chingai Lab Tech Patricia Nengtian White Pharmacist N Vidya Bati Devi Pharmacist Chingunyang Pharmacist Ayush N Open Singh Ophthalmic Assistant Dim Melody Microscopist NV BPC N Zamtianal Microscopist RNTCP James Pomtianlam MTS Malaria Tech Supervisor N Nabakishore Singh MHS Tingneva ICTC Counselor KH Sanjit Meitei Lab Tech Chinswan Khub Driver Buddha Singh Driver Lamkhomang Grade 4 Tia Hill Kuki SO Group of Assam Apat Janglen Kipgen General Secretary United Kukigam Defense Army UKDL Lalsei Gangte General Secretary KRA Assam into So Bolna Wachun Tuni Tarik Somnipanga Marj Sang Somnipanga Ahin KRA designated K Mona Kuki SO Group Assam 10 meeting Akinaya Z meeting Nahin TSA Mapuina Hun 2025 Guwahati Mona Ang Tungding directly April Sang Somnipanga Kimat na ding thuhi gen khom na kineya unsot tak gen khom hinungin zigol hin tu puk na se mahi tulai tak din muna zigol hi kibol hi nampia ding le mabana thil pha hoi lo hu su dinga aki musikin zi hun 2025 go hati muna mat na ding hin koma che lo ding in ka hung hi sakoi chule zi hun pui tu ten hun festival hi cancel bol ding in tu piak na hung kibol hi Zi tu su ngai sak lawa chi te te ya umle aman mo ki pu ding hi hausa na khota ga chunga mo ki pu ding achunga Kuki SO Group of Assam election kila ding hi ti na tu so na wachun atak lang hi Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council makainan nuin tunin Kangpok Pi Town Committee member ding detail na hi ward election vote ki chai hi to kitonin District Council hall vote simzo hi in member ding tel do na hi Kangpok Pi Town Committee Ward Member ding atel do umte cho hile Ward number 1 Pau Komang Kipgen Ward number 2 Sepu Kipgen Ward number 3 Ngulnai Thang Khongsai Ward number 4 Helmang Hangsing Ward number 5 Lalkholen Kipgen Ward number 6 Mangogin Misau Ward number 7 Tolmin Thang Misau Ward number 8 Sebiem Kipgen Ward number 9 Thangkhohau Hangsing Ward number 11 Seilam Singsit Ward number 12 Seikhozang Sitlo Ward number 13, Satngam Kipgen. Ward number 15, Seizahen Singsid. Ward number 16, Seingam Singsid. Ward number 17, Dozapau Tautangle. Ward number 18, Nekotin Sei Kipgen Te Ahio. Chanchinla Komte. Thangboy Gangte MCS ADC in POSCO poster campaign Honnane. Security Force 10, Matsa Khon Khopmang. Zomi Council Prayer Department in Tusobor. Tunita adinga getin lam ka daily news ngai tha thaile ye thezi chan hi ngai tha len te zo si umnom le mang pha